Top 3 things when you're looking for a plastic surgeon. Number 1, and by far the most important thing, is that you need to make sure they're boarded by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. So important. I can't emphasize that enough. And that this signifies that that surgeon has gone through the extensive training in plastic and reconstructive surgery with the facet of aesthetic surgery. They have completed all the requirements and testing and examinations required to get that really prestigious certification. It's really hard for us to get. It's our Everest, and it's a validation of expertise, the validation of reconstruction and all the surgical techniques associated with plastic surgery. Plastic surgeons are, that are called into plastic surgeons, some are cosmetic surgeons, are not the same. 2, you want to make sure that they are experienced in that procedure you're interested in doing. So if you're looking to have a rhinoplasty, I would recommend you find a surgeon that does a lot of rhinoplasties. That's one of the more sophisticated, more delicate, technically demanding procedure to perform. You want to make sure that surgeon is very well fluent in rhinoplasty specifically. If you're looking for abdominoplasty, find someone who does abdominoplasty all the time. Ideally, a surgeon that does only aesthetic surgery. There's plastic surgeon, we do reconstructive surgery, we do hand surgery, we do trauma surgery, we do flap surgery, we do aesthetic surgery. You really want to find a surgeon who does a lot of what you want. How do you find those? Look at their reviews, look at their website, look at their before and afters. There's really a lot of resources to evaluate that. And the third thing it emphasizes is safety. And safety is a big important thing for me. Where you're doing the surgery is important. And if you're having surgery in the back of someone's closet, that's going to be a problem for me. And if you're going to have surgery in a small room you're basically in a closet in their office and they're just going to put you to sleep with some IV sedation, you should have some red flags just flying off. You want to make sure the facility you're having surgery is accredited. It's going to be staffed by a anesthesia provider that understands and has full mastery and expertise in anesthesia. You want to make sure that the staff is appropriate for the level of care that you're going to need for your surgical procedure. Some of the bigger surgeries, the massive weight loss contouring, the mom makeovers, you want to be in a facility that can handle in case of emergency. So find out where you're having your surgery and make sure it's safe. So those 3 things are most important. Hope you learned something. Again, we're going to keep coming at you. Hope you leave a comment, DM me if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more.